In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find lost items in my summer car. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have any lost parts or items that you would like to retrieve in my summer car, there are some ways that you can go about this. So, for the first one, any lost items that fell through the map or that you cannot get because they are out of bounds and so on will go over to a specific location on the map. So by following the map, go over to the dump near the spawn, and once you go there, you will be able to find the items inside of there. So all that you have to do in this case is to go to this specific location on the map, and you will be able to find your lost items on the dump near the toilet if they fall through the floor or they are dropped near the house. So go to the dump on the map and you will find them there. Now the second main thing is if you are driving, you crash and some items fall through but you only notice it later. In that case, it's as simple as retracing your steps. So if items fall off your car while driving, retrace your steps in daylight and usually it is going to be sufficient to find them, especially if they are on the road or near where you last saw them. If you have a more extreme accident and the items are scattered, you can still retrace your steps, but of course it is going to take a little bit more finesse and effort. Now, if you lost your items, they haven't fell through the map, or you cannot find them inside of the dump when you go over to it, near the bathroom, near the toilet, then this is going to be a little bit more extreme. But you can use a tool like MSC Editor. This tool has a function that allows you to teleport items to set locations. So download MSC Editor, go over to Tools after you open your save file, and then choose Teleport Object. This option, as the name suggests, will allow to teleport a specific item, so in this example, fender left, and you can choose where you want to teleport it to. So there are plenty of locations, you can choose any of these. And then once you go to that specific location, the item that you selected here will be available there. So use this in extreme cases or in cases where you cannot be bothered to retrace your steps, and the item will automatically appear in any location of your choosing. Now, before I end this video, I want to highlight that when I was looking at the channel metrics the other day, I noticed that 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe to our channel, you can help us bring you the best solutions to your problems and videos about my summer car. So consider subscribing. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.